I hope you are fine. In this video, I am going to talk about what are different types of comments available in Swift language, and we will discuss special type of comment which is called nested comments in Swift, and we will look at code examples and try to understand what are different types. So, first of all, what is a comment? Comment is basically a text in your program which Swift compiler does not execute or ignores it while compiling your code. For example, you can see this line. When compiler will execute, it will ignore this whole line starting from this till here. Now the question that comes to your mind is, if this is ignored by compiler, then what is the use of this? For example, here I have added this function prints welcome message. It is not encouraged to use um, a comment which describe your variable or function. Rather, comments are used to remind yourself or some other developer, for example, to do for us if clean up this function code. So whenever later I look at the code and from comment, I will understand that I have to clean this function code. So it is a reminder from me or for another developer when I look at this code. So there are three types of function comments available in Swift language. One is single line comment, which basically start with two forward slashes, uh, and it is used to comment one line. So everything after this comment is ignored. For example, I can also add a comment here and say print variable value. So everything on the right side of this is ignored. So this is single line comment, and the other comment is multi-line, where you can where you want to comment multiple line at the same time, and that is basically it start with forward slash static and then static and forward slash. Now the code that is in between these two, all these lines are ignored by the compiler, and you want to use like there would be many scenarios while developing apps where you want to comment couple of lines in your code, and this is one way to comment basically multiple lines or block of code. There's another way where you select bunch of lines that you want to comment and press command and forward slash, and it comments all those lines by single line. This is personally not a good idea because you are basically adding three lines, um, three single line comments. Instead, I prefer to use this multi-line comment like this. So this is used to basically comment a block of code. And the other type of comment which is available in Swift, uh, when I read the documentation, it was like uh, that you can comment some lines uh, in an already commented block of code. And I was little surprised that why would basically someone will comment a line in already commented code. And after spending some time, I realized that yeah, there is a couple of scenarios where it is extremely useful. And if you look through internet, you won't find any explanation around nested comments, because maybe other languages, most of the languages do not support this nested commenting style, or they consider it as bad. But since Apple has introduced, so there must be very logical reason behind that, and that is I will explain you shortly. I was basically reading that first someone will add comment out this block, and then he or she will comment this line. It is very uh, like it didn't sound very logical to me, and I thought maybe I am reading it the wrong way. And how about if someone commented a block of code, and after that he wants to comment out more code? And for example, let me give you an example that we have already a block of code that is commented out with multi-line comment, and you think that you want to comment some couple of more lines. So since Swift has multi nested comment support, and let's say you want to comment out this whole function, so what you will do is that you put another comment, multi-line comment. Although there is already a block of code commented out, you still can easily uh, comment out whole section of code. And so this nested comment, it is very helpful when you want to comment out a block of code which already contains multi-line comment. And this is helpful as well. For example, you go to another file and start writing bunch of code, and now you want to uncomment the recently commented code. So what you will do is you will delete this external comment, and you are left with previous state. So it is very easy to jump back to previous state. So Swift has support for nested comments, which makes it very helpful. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share the channel so that I can upload more videos and I stay motivated as well. Thank you so much.